Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Ready? 5 seconds. Honorable members, my government is rapidly taking forward the work of modernization of the army and the armed forces. India is going to receive the delivery of first Rafale fighter aircraft and Apache helicopters in the near future. Special emphasis is being accorded by the government to manufacture of modern armaments under Make in India. The policy of indigenously manufacturing weapons such as modern rifles and cannons, tanks and combat aircrafts is being carried forward successfully. Defense corridors coming up in Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu will further strengthen this mission. While fulfilling our security requirements, export of defense equipment is also being encouraged. Respect towards soldiers and martyrs enhances self-respect and enthusiasm among the forces and also strengthens our military capabilities. Hence, all possible efforts are being made to take care of our soldiers and their families through one rank, one pension, increased pensionary benefits to ex-servicemen, and expansion of health facilities. Efforts are being made to improve their living standards. The National War Memorial near India Gate in Delhi, built by my government 7 decades after India's independence, is a tribute to the martyrs by a grateful nation. Similarly, my government has set up the National Police Memorial in memory of police personnel who were martyred while safeguarding the security of the country. Inspiration from history guides us towards the future path of nation building. It is our duty to preserve the memory of our nation builders and gratefully remember them. There have been many such efforts during the last 5 years. Dandi Museum has been built to honor Pujya Bapu and the historic Dandi March. Statue of Unity, the tallest statue in the world, has been built as a mark of our gratitude to the Iron Man, Sardar Patel. Kranti Mandir has been set up at the Red Fort in Delhi as a tribute to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and other freedom fighters of Azad Hind Fauj. 26 Alipur Road in Delhi, the site of Baba Saheb Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar's Mahanirvana, has been developed as a national memorial. A museum is also being built in Delhi as a mark of respect to the contributions of all former prime ministers of the country. My government, inspired by Sardar Patel, is committed to further strengthen the spirit of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. For this, it is essential to accord importance to national ambitions of the people as such. India had to pass through a long period of domination, but throughout this period, Indians kept fighting for independence in different parts of the country. The longing for freedom and willingness to make sacrifices to achieve freedom had never waned. This desire for independence culminated into the Quit India movement in 1942, when the entire nation was determined to achieve independence and even to sacrifice their lives in this cause. Contributing to the freedom struggle was the only thought behind all the actions of our countrymen. We achieved our independence in 1947 on the collective strength of this country. Today, all of us, again at a juncture of creating history.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.